Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look now at a vintage McCulloch Timber Bear. A really nice saw, great running condition, a wonderful piece for your collection or to use at the backyard or the camp. A very nice, complete, ready-to-go saw. Nice vintage saw for your collection. Has great compression, starts and lights off very easily. We can ship this today for only $179.99 anywhere in the US. That's right, $179.99 buys this great vintage McCulloch Timber Bear today. We ship anywhere in the US using eBay International Shipping, so don't hesitate, act now, because when it's gone, it's gone. And this really great classic saw will not be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.